out all of these fantastic Oriflame grant holders, everything that has to do with Oriflame. And you, as I already told you, you are fantastic people. But I'm also going to tell you one thing, that is how old I am. I don't know why, but I came to that conclusion. I happen to be 57 years old. That's 87. I can't even keep track of how old I am. You can understand that it's not so easy to stand up and talk to you. But I have loved every moment of all my years with Oriflame. And I have done many of those years together with my brother Jonas. But unfortunately he died some years ago. But together we decided when we started Oriflame that we were going to find women who wanted to start their own little business, and we would do whatever we could to help them. And that was, Jonas was fantastic. He really was burning for doing this, and I was with him, and I think we kept that goal we wanted to come. And I think still today it's so important for us that what you do and how you succeed, that is all what Oriflame is about. And if you don't succeed, we will not succeed. So we are in this together, you and me and everybody else standing here. And I also have my moments when I get sentimental, and one of those is what I happen to meet. Now and then I meet someone who tells me, Robert, thank you for Oriflame. It was the best decision in my life. Then I got tears in my eyes. It was so incredible that in the end, you are the ones who decide the future of Oriflame. And Alexander, I, Sebastian, everybody, we are about one thing, that's helping you to succeed. And I can promise you that if I will do one thing, I will try together with Anna, Niklas and Carl to be sure that you get whatever help we can provide you with. And with that, I would like to thank you for being here today. I would like to thank you for being such fantastic people. And I will tell you that I hope that we have many fine years together in the future. Thank you very much.
Robert, whose 57th birthday is it today?
It's Oriflame's birthday.
Yes, today is Oriflame's 57th anniversary. And it would have been Jonas' 90th anniversary today. 57 years. That's quite a lot as well. And when Robert and I discuss Oriflame after 57 years, he tells me, yes, Alex, it has been a lot of challenges, but we always find a way forward. And yes, the last 4 years have been really tough. And I'm so glad to see our Chinese friends here. It is 4 years since we met. But then he says, most of all, the opportunities for Oriflame has never been bigger than it is right now. And then he goes, Alex, this is probably the most exciting time ever.
have to have both fun and be rewarding. You have to have fun when you spend your time with your partner and brandholders, and that takes you a long way. Thank you.
And when you think about it, it's true. The innovation and the opportunities that we have ahead of us are actually bigger and more plenty than ever before in the history of Oriflame. And it's still true what you used to say. We want to look good, we want to make money, and we want to have fun. The basics are still there. People all around the world want to look good, make money, and have fun. But imagine what all the great tools we have in Oriflame today. Oriflame was founded 40 years before the iPhone was invented. Pretty crazy. But competition is there, has always been there. So if we want to capture all the opportunities ahead of us, we decided that we need to be creative, we need to be decisive, and we need to be faster. And therefore we decided to create a new management team in Oriflame. You know I love the old management team in Oriflame, but we needed a new management team led by Anna Malmake. Anna Malmake and her great team have created a culture in Oriflame that is more creative, very decisive, and very fast. The last 12 months in Oriflame has been some of the most hectic 12 months in our lives. First,